Cleaning your OneChef is as easy as cooking with it. Before you begin, switch the appliance off and allow the pot and all parts to cool completely. Remove the cooking pot and all removable accessories. The cooking pot, air fryer basket, steamer rack and idli plate are all dishwasher safe. If you prefer to wash them by hand, rinse the parts under warm water. Use a soft sponge and a small amount of mild dishwashing liquid to clean them gently. Do not use steel wool, metal scrubbers or abrasive pads as these can damage the non-stick coating. Wash the glass lid the same way you would clean any glass cookware lid, using warm water and a soft sponge. For stubborn stains or residue, soak the part in warm water with dish soap for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps loosen the residue and makes cleaning easier. To clean the main unit, simply wipe the exterior with a clean, damp cloth. Clean the accessories after every use to prevent oil or food residue from building up. Before using OneChef again, make sure all parts are completely dry. Your OneChef is now clean and ready for the next meal.